that you won't find it again until you shit it out on Christmas morning. Come on!
Honey, remember why we're here, trying to keep Abby on the right path. Let's not touch anyone in a way Dr. Feynman wouldn't approve of.
Sheila, what is your safe word? Because I want to know what to ignore when I'm making you my bitch. You're just lucky that I'm here to set an example for my daughter, because otherwise I would literally turn you inside out.
Look, let's take a breath. We're all realtors here.
Actually, we're realtors. We don't know what a real-utter is.
You know what, Chris? Fuck you.
How about this? We won't tell Principal Novak what Abby did and get her expelled if you give us the listing you stole from us with that dog stuff.
You are never going to get that listing.
And we didn't steal it. We won it. In high school, your dad drove drunk and flipped a car.
You have until 5 o'clock tonight to decide. That is our best and final offer. Oh, that's an expression realtors use, so you may not be familiar with it. Christian, did you know that your mom sold me a Quaalude once? Whoa, I think this has shown us why everyone here has such fucked up kids. Shall we scoot?
I hate these people. They're so mean. Look at this house. A mudroom in Santa Clarita. It rains twice a year, fool.
Not let them win this. First, Chancellor got expelled, and now she's homeschooled and has 200,000 YouTube followers, and all she does is whisper ingredients from cereal boxes.